Chipper Shredder, a durable and easy-to-use machine that conveniently turns branches and other yard debris into mulch, compost, or wood chips. Powered by a 6.5 horsepower engine and with an easily adjustable self-feeding chute that efficiently handles branches up to 3 inches diameter with no extra prep or pruning. Save valuable time and hassle with the rugged, easy-to-maneuver and maintain YARDMAX Chipper Shredder. Backed by a 2-year warranty. Max value, max performance. That's YARDMAX. Tame the great outdoors.
5cc OHV Briggs & Stratton engine delivers maximum power to the Southland Chipper Shredder, which meets all necessary ANSI safety requirements. 10-inch pneumatic wheels with ball-bearing hubs allow you to reach the worksite with ease, even when rough, uneven terrain stands in your way. When there, the 2 heat-treated steel blades chip your small branches and yard debris into shreds. Featuring a 2-way feed, the smaller chute is perfect for branches up to 2 inches in diameter. The taller, oversized hopper, designed to keep you safe from the operating blades, is ideal for yard waste such as leaves, twigs, and pine needles. With an impressive 10-to-1 mulch ratio, reduce 10 bags of yard waste into a single bag of chips and send it all to the included 5-bushel collection bag for easy yard cleanup. When finished, the tool-free grate access makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. If the worksite is far from your storage area, consider picking up the optional tow hitch for easy transportation with your lawn tractor or ATV. The Southland Chipper Shredder. Durable by design.
Number 1 electric garden, chipper, shredder, and mulcher. With the Eco Shredder, you can now make your own organic garden mulch, reducing all your yard waste to a fraction of its size, saving you time and money. The 3-cycle shredding and mulching system ensures consistent results, breaking down all your leaves, sticks, and small branches into nutrient-rich compost to fertilize all your garden needs. The rounded hopper design with V-type blade makes cleanup and maintenance a breeze. Safety features include an overload protection switch that will turn off the motor during a jam. And unlike gas-powered shredders, it's a much quieter and cleaner operation. The 7-inch wheels have been designed for maximum portability across any terrain, and the compact design makes it easy to store in a shed or workshop. Each Eco Shredder comes with an environmentally friendly tamper and a free set of replacement blades. Every yard's better with an Eco Shredder.